Today we're taking a look at something that's small, useful, and honestly pretty fun. The Sandisk USB-C Flash Drive. This is the FIFA World Cup 2026 edition, and it's available here at Microcenter. This is a limited edition, officially licensed FIFA World Cup 2026 USB-C Flash Drive, and the design is actually part of the appeal. It includes a branded lanyard because it's shaped like a whistle, and depending on the edition, you'll see designs inspired by the global tournament and all of the host countries, the United States, Canada, and Mexico. There's also a gold edition in the broader lineup, as well as a global edition, which is what I have here. Now, the global edition is a 64 gigabyte version, so that's 64 gigabytes of storage, but for the full lineup, you can get some editions with 64 gigs, some with 128 gig capacities, and 128 gigs, you're looking at USA, Canada, and the gold versions. So you're getting a nice amount of portable storage and something that also feels, well, like a collectible. And that's really the key here. This is not just a novelty item, it's still a practical USB-C flash drive. Now, Sandisk rates these for read speeds up to 300 megabytes per second, and that's over USB 3.2 Gen 1. As always, real-world speeds really depend on your device, they depend on your file size, as well as the USB port that you're using. But for moving photos, videos, documents, and clips from one device to another, well, that's plenty fast for everyday use. One of my favorite use cases for USB-C flash drives is actually phone storage. If you're heading to the World Cup or really any big event, your phone is going to fill up quickly. Photos, 4K video, slow motion clips, screenshots, travel documents, well, it all really adds up. Having a tiny USB-C drive in your bag or on your lanyard, like the one here, gives you an easy way to move files off of a compatible phone and onto a computer, without waiting on cloud uploads or even worrying about hotel Wi-Fi. This works especially well with compatible Android phones and tablets, and it also works on macOS and Windows computers. So you can plug into your phone, move your footage, and then you can plug it into your laptop or desktop later, and you can back up everything properly, locally, and not on the cloud. And if we want to get just a little technical, flash drives like this, well, they use NAND flash memory. Now, this kind of technology is really special because there's no spinning platters, there's no moving mechanical parts, there's no external power supply, and that's why it's able to be so compact, like inside of this whistle. The data is stored electrically inside the memory cells, so that also means they're great for quick transfers and everyday backups. But like any storage device, they should not be your only copy of something important. If the photo or video matters, well, make sure you keep it in more than one place. Now for me, this is the kind of drive that makes sense as a travel companion. It's small, it's easy to carry, it's USB-C, and it gives you a quick way to protect those moments before your phone starts yelling at you about your storage being full. So whether you're collecting World Cup gear, traveling for the tournament, or you just want a useful USB-C flash drive with just a little bit of personality, the Sandisk FIFA World Cup 2026 edition drives are a fun option that you can check out, and you can find them at your local Microcenter. And if you don't have a Microcenter near you, well, be sure to comment hashtag I want a Microcenter near me. By the way, not a real working whistle, but still looks really cool.